Hey friends, think your week's been weird? Wait until you hear what we've got today. We're talking Justin Sun munching on $6 million, Trump swapping out Gensler, and SEC possibly getting a pardon. Buckle up, it's going to be a fun ride. Let's kick things off with something exotic. Justin Sun, founder of Tron, has proven that art can satisfy hunger. You've probably heard the buzz by now. He bought an art piece called Comedian for a whopping $6.24 million. And what is it, you ask? A banana taped to a wall. That's right, a banana probably worth a few cents from a local market. And what did Justin do with it? Well, naturally he ate it during the live stream in front of a press conference full of journalists. Sun claimed the banana was incredibly delicious. Honestly, for that price it better be. So he now has to replace the fruit as per the concept of the artwork. Oh, and just to keep things fun, he's planning to buy 100,000 more bananas for $25,000 from the Manhattan shop where the original came from. When it comes to art, this guy doesn't mess around. Meanwhile, the US has its own drama unfolding around the SEC chair. The word on the street is that Donald Trump is gearing up to replace current SEC chairman Gary Gensler, arguably the biggest villain in the eyes of the crypto community in recent years. 5 candidates are rumored to be in the running for Gensler's spot, including Paul Atkins, a free market advocate, and Hester Peirce, better known as Crypto Mom. The crypto community is buzzing with hope that whoever steps in will end the crackdown and create a friendlier environment for the industry. Let's see who snagged the top spot at the SEC. This week, the entire crypto community has been calling on Trump to pardon former Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, aka CZ. CZ has said he doesn't plan to return to running Binance, but he wouldn't say no to a pardon either. Some see this as a clever move by Binance to rally public pressure on Trump, using the community's voice to push their agenda. However, when CZ returned, it sparked a new bull cycle in the market, with asset prices skyrocketing. If he gets involved, Trump could close this chapter with a single signature. And that's the news for today. Hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop with the wildest stories in crypto. See you in the next episode, friends!